Tempers are rising in West Cumberland, Portmore St. Catherine, as residents push back against the development they fear could turn their quiet streets into a congested corridor. Now, municipal authorities say they're reviewing the issue as residents call for urgent intervention. Rashida Walker has the details.
Quiet neighborhoods and heavy traffic don't usually go together, but residents of West Cumberland say that could soon become their reality. They are raising concerns over what they say is a move by Restaurants of Jamaica Limited to construct an entrance and exit point through their community. A development residents fear could turn residential streets into a busy traffic route.
I'm very, very concerned in that already the boulevard is being used in the evening to bypass the heavy traffic on Grange Lane. Persons coming from Naggohead direction, they turn onto the scheme, and in the evening this bumper-to-bumper traffic here. Now at this traffic light where people are coming in from work, in the evening it is also very heavy traffic coming in. It would be a huge bottleneck taking place here at in the evenings and in the morning. It is not aesthetic.
Other residents say they were never consulted about the plan and are questioning how such a development could move forward without discussions with the community.
West Cumberland is not capture land. We all bought our place here. And when you come and say, Restaurant of Jamaica, just come and making a gate inside here. No, we did not get a consult. Even if they consult us, we don't want it. Because listen, there's a stoplight right there. And if we are driving here, and they are coming out here, how are we going to go into our scheme? This is our residence.
The president of the West Cumberland Citizens Association, Desmond Smith, says residents are united in their opposition and are calling on the relevant authorities to intervene.
It will cause havoc and disaster, possibly a lot of accident. And I think it will devalue the community itself. And no community wants to be devalued.
But municipal officials say they are also seeking clarity on the issue.
The plan was submitted to the Portmore City Municipality. However, the entrance and exit is supposed to be on Grange Lane. Any other entrance and exit that is there should not be there.
After reviewing the drawing, there's only one entrance and one exit. The other one that is of concern to the residents was not established as an entrance or exit on the drawing. So that has to be dealt with by the municipality and the corrective measures taken to have it resolved.
That action could include the issuing of a stop order. For now, residents say they will continue to push back against what they believe could dramatically change the character of their community. Rashida Walker, TVJ News.